DJI's upcoming drone, the DJI Flip, is shaping up to be one of the company's most unusual releases yet. The DJI Flip popped up recently in an FCC filing, which usually means it's still a ways off from launch. But here's where it gets interesting. Jasper Ellen spotted Amazon Mexico casually mentioning the Flip in a listing for the Mini 3. Yeah, things are getting strange. Let's unravel the mystery behind this unusual reveal and explore the details we have so far. So, where did this all start? Over the past couple of weeks, details about the DJI Flip have been slowly leaking, thanks to a couple of prominent drone leakers and a recent FCC filing. For those keeping score, FCC listings usually mean a product is still in the works, but this time, things are moving faster than expected. Why? An Amazon Mexico listing for the Mini 3 accidentally dropped the name Flip, adding more fuel to the rumor fire. Here's what we know so far. The Flip could measure around 300 by 300 by 80 mm when unfolded. That would make it larger than DJI's Neo, but slightly smaller than the Mini 4 Pro. And the weight? Just 249 grams. Yep, staying under that magic number to avoid extra regulations. But get this, it reportedly has an 18% larger battery than the Mini 4 Pro. More power, same lightweight build, sounds like a win. Now, let's talk money. The Flip will likely be sold on its own, but rumors suggest a Fly More combo package with DJI's RC2 remote controller. That bundle could push the price past $1,000, comparable to the Mini 4 Pro's combo. Will it be worth it? That's the big question. As of now, DJI hasn't said a word about when the Flip will be officially announced, but with leaks piling up, it might not be long before we see this quirky drone in action. What do you think about the DJI Flip? Is it just a clever gimmick, or could this drone actually bring something new to the table? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates on the Flip and other exciting tech. Peace out.